Hello, friends and family. Welcome to Nanaba's Kitchen. I am very pleased today to present my fried version of KELEWELE, which is a spiced plantain dish, very popular and well loved all on the streets of Ghana. Everyone I know loves this dish. I do have a baked version as well. Now this is the fried. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, now is the opportunity to do so, and click on that bell right next to it too, so that when I upload my next video, you'll get a notification, that ding ding in your email telling you that Nanaba's Kitchen has uploaded another video. Now here's a tip. What you're looking at right now is ginger, and it's been frozen, and I'm using a spoon to peel the skin. It's so much easier that way. Trust me, try it and you'll love it. Here's my plantain. I have cut up into small pieces, very small pieces, so it fries quickly. And I have seasoned with some salt and some crushed black pepper and grated just now my ginger into it, followed by the onion as well. You see that I have omitted blending these ingredients because I do want to keep the flavors concentrated. I don't want to dilute with any water to propel the blades of the blender. Now here is some whentia or grains of selim, followed by some calabash nutmeg. My secret ingredient is cardamom pods that just went in. Now here also is some roasted red chilies. Okay, when you roast them, you get that smokiness. Now I actually bought them already roasted at a Mexican store, so pour it all in and mix it together. Now it is important to let it sit for about 30 minutes. It's almost like you're marinating these plantains. Yes, you can marinate plantain, trust me. Let it sit for about 30 minutes and it'll be perfect to go. Now test your oil before you start frying. Place an onion in there. Make sure it bubbles beautifully before you place your plantains into the oil safely, obviously. And also, once you get the plantain into the oil, don't disturb it. Please fight that urge to turn it and to stir it, because all the goodness will fall right off of them. Look at that right there. It took about 10 minutes to fry to perfection. Add some peanuts to it, some roasted peanuts, and enjoy this niceness going on right now. Yes, don't you want to try this recipe? Let me know how you make yours, what kind of ingredients you add. Thank you for watching. Make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen.